Hey, it's Kary Oberbrunner, secret location. I wanted to shoot while the sunrise comes up. Hope you can enjoy it. Hey, look, today's video is all about how do you trust your gut. You know, I hear this a lot, and trust me, when I first began this journey of becoming a soul on fire, I had zero trust in my gut. In fact, what I did is I would go around and I would ask what everyone else was thinking. I would sit down and I would kind of rifle off my spiel and give a bunch of facts and then ask for advice. And here's the problem. When you're disconnected from your creator, your core, and your community, and you go around and survey other people and ask them for their opinions, the very best they can do is give their opinion. They're not you. They don't have to live with the results of you. And so as a result, many times they give bad advice. And those of us who do feel disconnected from our creator, core, and community, we then move on to the next person, and then they give their opinion, and then we feel like we're directionless and purposeless, and kind of like the waves of the sea, we literally feel bounced to and fro. In my favorite book, it talks about how when we need wisdom, we should ask God, and when He gives it, we need to stand up and then take it. We need to act upon that wisdom. And so here's my challenge to each of us today. Don't ask God for wisdom if you're not going to do what He says. Because see, back in those days, God was telling me some pretty big things, some pretty crazy things. And I said, well, are you sure? You know, are you sure you want that advice? Are you sure that's the wisdom? And then I would go to other people and ask them. And think about that. If you ask the God of the universe for His opinion on a matter, and you ask for wisdom, and then He gives it, and then you say, well, I'm going to get a second opinion, and a third opinion, and a fourth opinion. How insulted would you be? I'd be pretty insulted. So what I want to challenge each one of us to do is go ahead, ask God for wisdom, be bold and be brave, but then be somebody who takes that action and then applies it in your life. When you do that, you begin to have that soul on fire experience. So it is like a muscle. It doesn't happen overnight, but as you begin to strengthen that muscle and you do begin to hear, you know, from your creator, your core, and your community better, you have what's called alignment. And then it's much easier to hear the voice the second time, the third time, the fourth time, and then you pretty much move in alignment. Then here's the cool phenomenon that happens. You are so in alignment that now that's the norm. And when you get out of alignment, that feels abnormal. See, most of us, it feels so abnormal when we're in alignment because it's been so foreign and so long. But think about that, folks. You can actually have that experience where it becomes normal and it's abnormal to be out of alignment. So this is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire today. Enjoy that sunrise. It is a beautiful, beautiful day, and make it that way, okay? Go ahead and live just this one day without regrets, without reserves, okay? And just live full on out. Awesome. Talk soon.